Alright, y'all, we're gonna build like a stone bench and set it right here. So we're gonna open some space because we're gonna put it on the ground a couple inches. You know what I'm saying? We got Jeremy behind the camera. Let me see your knife on it. He's over there laughing at me because I'm over here making videos. See how you are?
Yeah.
I'll get you one time. Damn, look at this knife, it's sharp. Just like me, looking sharp. That's one. There's two. Alright, so let me go get some buckets so we can put the dirt in the little bucket. We're not gonna go that deep. Probably go like I said, a couple inches. When I say couple, it's like maybe 6 to 10 inches. That way it looks natural, like it's been here for years. You know, whole purpose of that. So hopefully it turns out to look good. We got some wire. That's a root. Okay. 50 inches we have. What do you think, Jeremy?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
So far, so good.
Oh, man. Alright, I think that's good. Plenty of action. Yes, sir. Plenty. Same thing we're going to do to this one. help the video. Alright, yeah, we got these 4 inches by 2, and the plan was to dig a little bit more. I remember I said between 6 to 10 inches, so you have 8 inches deeper on each side. That way you can have reduced quite a bit, and that way it looks sturdy. So now that we have this puppy in here, we're gonna set them in, and then with the same dirt we're gonna put it back where it's more stable. So once it's being stable, we'll get the other part, top part, that way we can build like a bench. So once we have the bench already set and done, I have another idea where we can keep it more stable, and hopefully that keeps it more reliable during time. So let's put this in, make it look like nothing happened. That way you can see the process, and hopefully you like the way we did it. I was trying to look everywhere to see how the best way to do this, but I couldn't find any good video where they built them outside. And I guess they just built the bench and just throw it in there and just leave it as it is. So we did it a different route, so hopefully it turns out to be a good one. First one. First one in. Another one. Other one in. Now we can put some dirt. Thank you. Alright, just need to bring it a little bit forward. Way bigger now. A little bit even. Yeah. Whip it up. Like it. Now we throw the dirt back into it. A little bit settle. Pull it down. There. Throw some 30. Okay, yeah, we got this two stones already set and done. See how it looks? Really clean. Looks nice and even right there, straight. So we can add the other piece on top. So far looking good. Sturdy right now, and with the stuff they're gonna add here in a minute, I think it's gonna look way better. That's gonna help a lot. So let's go get the other one. So The top piece is gonna, that goes right there to over here. So this is it right here. It's all there. So hopefully we can get it and doesn't break on us. So wish us luck. Okay, everybody, we got it already there. Y'all don't want to know how we did it, so don't ask. It was brutal. I think it's heavy, heavier than me, for sure. And I'm 150 pounds light, so I already know how heavy it is. But we got it in. It looks good. It looks so good. Now, my plan was to get this. So my plan was to do this, make it more sturdy, and I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be noticeable. So we can add some concrete, some of this, you know, on the bottom. Just seal it up, and that should do the trick. And just clean it up, clean it out. So basically, this is caulking to repair cracks from the on the concrete. That's caulking to repair concrete. Does that make sense? So it's really hard. It works really good. I tried it last time and it works really good. So we're gonna set it. We're gonna put some over here, on the inside and the outside, and I think it should work. Here. Take a look over here. Trying to make it perfect, you know. But it's gonna be in the bottom. It's not gonna be that perfect. We'll get it on both sides. That way we don't have any problems later on. And we do. Let me fix it. We usually take care of this property every week. We take care of the mowing. So try to be here every week. some. Why not? Let's do the back. Oh yeah. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. There. Looking sharp. Looking good. Give it a wash. Nothing too big. Being stable. Yeah, I can. This thing is very. Well, not as sturdy, but I mean it's good. You can sit down. Come on, sit down.
Oh, yeah, it's there.
Oh yeah, it's there. It's all there. Hey, what's up?